Hello friends and welcome to another exciting vlog here in Bangkok, Thailand. We are here at the IKEA inside the
M-Sphere Mall.
Yes, M-Sphere Mall. And we're going shopping. Why? Because we moved to Bangkok. Yes, we're here in Bangkok for a year and we need to buy some stuff for our new apartment. So let's go shopping in IKEA in Bangkok. Chee!
Shopping day.
Now, anyone who have shopped in IKEA before, you know, if you shop in IKEA, you should come here with one important thing already checked off the list. That is measurements. Why? Because in IKEA, you know, there's a lot of things that you would buy that fit into different parts of your apartment, of your home, and you want to make sure you get the right thing, and you don't want to come here and be like, wow, I should have measured my apartment in the different areas before actually coming here to purchase anything. We've done that. Wait, but it gets even better. So have you ever found yourself kind of wanting to measure something and then you're like, oh man, I don't have a tape measure? Well, if you guys don't know, on your actual iPhone, I'm not sure about Android, but if you have an iPhone, there's a built-in app that's called Measure, and you can measure right inside your iPhone and save it. So when you come to a place like this, you're good to go.
We are right at the entrance of IKEA, and here there is IKEA Cafe. Let me know in the comments, are you the type of person who loves IKEA Cafe food? Because I know there are some people out there who just love IKEA food and come to IKEA just for food. But here, IKEA is right in the center of Bangkok and you can easily take the train to it.
And talk about cafe, I think the major thing, correct me if I'm wrong, but the meatballs, the Swedish meatballs, that's what most people go crazy for. I don't know if they have that. I'm gonna take a quick look and find out. There it is, the famous IKEA meatballs. Wow. So we just thought about something. Before we even entered the IKEA, we forgot that when you go into IKEA, it's like they hurdle you like cattle. So then you have a one-way in and you snake your way around and then you have exit out on the other side. So before we commit to that, we're hungry, so we're actually gonna take you guys downstairs and we're gonna eat something in the food court. If you guys didn't see the last video we published, we were actually walking around this mall and we showed you a lot of the food places that are in this mall, and it's absolutely incredible the choices you have of things to eat. How cool is this? There's actually a bar right across the street and they're looking at us over here. But she's pointing, so I think they might be the dancing pandas downstairs. So we're making our way downstairs. We're on the 4th floor, I believe. Now we need to go all the way downstairs so we can get to the food court and grab a bite. And we're just gonna give you a quick overview of how beautiful this mall is. Look at that. So as we heard the ruckus, we decided to come outside because if you guys saw our last video, here at the mall there was a big panda parade. If you guys missed that, it's in another video. But I hear the dragon dancing. Let's go see. Oh my gosh, look at all these pandas, my friend. Wow, that was amazing. Irina's down there going live on TikTok.
We're filming a vlog for our YouTube channel. How's everyone doing? And this is our lunch place made to order noodles. I got the most popular one, and this is the second most popular. This is spicy.
As you can see, my bowl is pretty much empty. This place is so good, this ramen place. So we discovered this restaurant, I want to say just a little less than a year ago, probably 10, 11 months ago, when we came to this mall when it first opened, and we found this place and we ate the ramen here. It was incredible. So we came back again and it did not disappoint. My bowl is clean. Irina's bowl is practically almost empty as well. And now that our tummies are full, we're going to head upstairs and get our IKEA shopping on. Let's go. For me, an unexperienced IKEA shopper, I didn't know that the trolley was made for you to put the bag
ขอบคุณค่ะ
in it. So based on that little montage I just showed you with all the different, what do they call it, like showcases they have here for the rooms and how you could design your rooms, did you see anything different from the IKEA maybe you visited before? Or the structures of the room any different? The type of things they sell here, is it any difference? Let me know, because I'm not really a big IKEA shopper, but maybe you guys have a little better insight than I do.
A duvet cover, and this one is about $40. Getting two of those. And this tool is for my husband. He is planning to do some baking, so we need a sifter.
We're purchasing a bunch of things for baking. As you can see, we have measuring cups here and also spatulas
and mats for
rubber
hot
mats.
dishes.
Oh yeah. Now this is my department. I love kitchen appliances. I love pots and pans and baking dishes and all this type of stuff. It's really cool. So now we just need to get a whole bunch of stuff together so that I could start baking. And we found some jars here. So when we start juicing, we have something to store the juices in. Now, even though we are getting numerous items from here, there are certain things that we are not getting from here, such as like coffee cups and stuff, because again, we mentioned that Lazada is a brand here, which is kind of like equivalent to Amazon in the States. So it is really inexpensive on Lazada, and stuff like coffee cups and different things we're getting there. Here we got like plates there, I think like 49 baht each, so it's very inexpensive.
We're also getting a few smaller plates. They're 56 cents each.
Okay, so I just asked the staff for like baking pans and stuff like that, cookie sheets, that they don't have. So I'm gonna have to get it from Lazada or Mr. DIY. Boo-hoo.
Our living room AC works so well, and it gets super cold there, so definitely need a nice, soft, cozy blanket for movie nights. We need a broom, and this one is a cool one because it has little things for you to clean the brush.
Lint, yeah. And it's cool the way they have it packaged, because this is the whole entire broom and brush and pan. I guess you just kind of screw them together.
And it's about $8 for the whole set.
We're taking this. We're now here in the warehouse area, which means that there are products that we saw that needs a little building and stuff. They're located here, like the bigger shelves. So we took photos of it, and now we need to source where these things are. It was just a couple of stuff, a rolling stand, and what else did we get?
I think that's about it.
That was it, just a rolling
Yeah.
stand? Okay, yeah, that's it. All right, we have found it. It's cool the way it comes, look. It just looks like three stackable shelves, but if you notice here, it actually has wheels, and you're like, well, where are the wheels? Where are the wheels?
Inside.
It's on the inside. That's really awesome. So I think that's it. I think we're good to go, yeah? As you can see, we have 3 bags of stuff here. Now, as I mentioned before, this is not the end it be it all for stuff that we needed. There's just certain things that we came here to IKEA that we know they would probably have. We thought they would have certain things which they don't, which means we have to go to Lazada next and purchase it from online, like my baking supplies and stuff like that. We still have to buy that massive conventional oven because, again, apartments here in Bangkok do not have ovens. No have. So we have to buy that along with a juicer and other things. So we will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, the cost.
Yeah, we spent just a little over 120 US dollars for 3 bags of goods, and more shopping ahead.
Much more shopping ahead and more content ahead. As usual, we will see you
In the next one. ขอบคุณค่ะ